This is a quick video of a strange computer bug I'm having after I unplugged a Blu-ray drive while the computer was on by mistake. I cannot turn on the computer. The only thing that happens is the front fan sparks on for a quick second every perhaps 5 to 10 seconds. This also happens with the power supply fan. I know it's kind of dark, but if you can see, the power supply fan tries to come on too every few moments, but nothing.